abusia for we de mesramo pa mesramo say me the video bi be kira mo amoma hwe wa and dey your first time oba me chande we so men sam ameka ano ohye ano enyu because ya me di ya obi na me di kasa enye say wo na me buafu say obi a ya to no so aba say either or your omempanyin or your minister or your honorable whatever he is omo na ya me bufu omo so enye wo particular nti sa wo hwe bia share na like and subscribe to the channel should be case we say ya ta hwe ABC Senegal Gambia Burkina na Mali na ndeso ebi asi we ko ba hwe well ebe yo nwa was on hwe picture we so hwe one side picture so yin well me one thing say me blame media no say ultimate go school na wa sua ade na wa as a journalist na wa ba assembliasi na ko bisa stupid question I will answer you an idiot question. I will answer you a stupid question. I quite say some multimedia Ghana journalists will be at a school and I say in Nigerian one. Ask them to nasi. Now be true. Oh, Eban is saying we are stupid to ask that question. Eban says you wrote name. That is the answer. If we have a good road, Sanimu we Nancy. You were a dream bia, said your comparable, your quasar fee. Your strength and coupon are there except for your man. Nessa a dream chrono, yentimina, and found to your opinion for as a politician say, a dear winners from your man. Why? Said a pia or quasar game, your coupon, me here we, your coupon, I say we see mammy. A dainty no big dream. Ain't me for at the Quotian and fans I say you pay for say yes remo. We say a nice for a doctor for a kicker for or go for cranky for penny for or be had to my analysis of company crumple no more ye to my name of your costume or multimedia demonstration for that. So almost salary number. Why is it that intimate nothing can say ye demonstration? Akaje yampanyin for say ye here go road. Ade nti na ye difficult my. Maybe so when him answer na try me. Na hasn't I see now what as journalist I do with who buy also a branch e dia dey na see ye wo hun dia. A stupid question of we don't have a good road. Ye no good road. Assume like if say you were from Accra to Tamale, double road. Jade obi a wokuneni. Bibi skrompa eyinechi. And I say if you do ni. This is how police check. Now common road, yentimen transit enkase. Yenhwe from Accra to Tamale. Dear yen nana mo ye beto ya this see one yen create another road sa road na wo ho 3 lane ufri Accra kwa Tamale and I say kintampo ya Accra to Takoradi a na nyina double road wa obi a wo kon road ye 3 highway and I say 4 highway mo am fi Takoradi kwa Accra mo ne mo am fi Accra ko mo mbo bra bia mo ntem no krampo gap wom identity na intime yan sa some more stop it leaders they will be here after stop it some more to abana mu diama to say o man panyin no ejimi fo and as some to abama momentum minister assembly no ejimi fo a obe as a jimi ni on dwen wo bia ho nti nyanse ni bia ni asegana ka say mama yen jase skana yeje de na yen create another rule na accident etonja de bia amafo be hye honkom amafo be kasa every single day, every blessed day we better say accident I see need their share abosom need their share honhom need their share the simple as abc be any go road nti anka your good road no fi Accra kwa Tamale and that's fi Tamale kwa Accra papa ultimate because the road is good. Driver na walk on one drain there ya ocean and the light between and so ama den there one drain sa de no kwa no ko se accident be si krampa e yo no de o wa kire betia break na tie na ye break krampa e yo no anim akire for betia break motete ho ama between kwa obetse na hand robbers yesi oma block kwan oma mu free Tamale oma ntimi mba oma mu free oma se de ko Tamale so oma ntimi nko because of the road is too small sanka ya highway 3 lane and I say 4 lane no oma mu free Tamale eba na oma se imagine 4 lane and I say 3 lane flani for bed ya no match ma block sa 3 lane na aba kwani 2 lane fia driver na offer Tamale ba and I said offer Kintampo ba na dey offer Twikime ba omo kramp obi apese o tiete bridge ansa na yankwa asere nti mpanyimfo ntimi ntrase ohunu say road no mo mayen create another road highway dey offer ase ko ni dey offer say ba omo ndwen ho obi andwen light bia ho so wonya azenda woni obi nko hia ebe de na we ni we omo be hia ama azenda si ama kasa ahye na mo won panyimfo oba ne yim na na busiafo enti wo de won dwen ho na ye di akwhye honhom ni di akwhye sunsun ni di akwhye asofo ni di akwhye nkremofo enti obi antime ndwen say sa accident be enti yetimi nya guru da accident ya so beka when the dwen ho nobody enti yetimi create another road na kwan utimi say you say ye here soldier for and say police for car na okon na hand robbers nyesa ombe block road mo panyifo jimi for obi ani nyansa say debi etobeka yenye road no kase 3 road and I say 4 lane 3 lane and I say 4 lane nti say ombe head hatima block 4 ni nyina and I said 5 ni nyina say 3 mpo o me de no matima block ni nyina mo block mo am off anaso mo free Kintampo ko Tamale anaso mo free Accra ba Kumase mo block e no kwane na ba mo free Accra ko Kumase de o mo do mo le no so de o mo hu de ko so nyanti o me kwa report na sa adwen we ye ni panyin bia wait ma trans adwen sa ade no enti san kampanyimfo asofofo nkramofo limamfo ahemfo multimedia social media for ne yenyina be kasa mo mayan kasa nkyere yempanyimfo say this is what we want, we need a good road in our system say it mean a good road what Accra Eko Kumasi what me da driver nkwa na wo de what train sika ma wonye na adwuma ya de ye ne say some of them fool people make Jimmy for say okona kan nyen ye makrampa no press me dem performance you are dead body you kase accident besia wo de ya mama to kwane ya to kwane ko bus makrampa front seat when they say one travel driver won kwa wa jere wo sampa na fe nyansa 40 meter na ho no so me pe back seat back seat no so wonya kwa car no krompo bia no so o press o kwa kwatana me nua sa wo sa so be no anasi sa firimu advice wo nua anka obia o tena front seat bia anka ni krompo obi tweska driver na anka car ni ye ma driver ne meet mo na mo ye front ya modia na yetete ho ni di ahya ahonhom ba na ye ahonhom bone a awo o man no ama ye ho kire na ye mpanyimfo se anka 1 year na ka omutimi de te say omon so na as a bluetooth omon pe contract na the whole omon fi Kumasi Takura de himfa omo create another new way ya na kwan no ebe kwa kofa krom onkoko kwan no omo bi di firi krom no de bone ba na wo nti yenti mun create kwan no se accident bebrebe no momma yen ya good road from double road from Accra to Tamale, Accra to Takoradi na yen highway double road nhwe se accident esontiana we nyina nye se mpanyefo nim they know exactly say the problem enye say ombe traffic and so ombe speed ram and the depi muy flani for ne how robbers for mo block kwani bibia debi mo create a good road na mo hwe say sa de na etroncha etobetwa na say etroncha yesra mo agwena ye adwuma body no bre